my name is Anna Lopez, and I'm here with Delkin Devices, and today we're talking about the new Wingman HD. It's our brand new 1080p HD full 8 megapixel resolution for still action camera. Some really neat features that it has a 1.5 inch LCD screen on it. It's going to allow you to view your pictures and video in real time and also review footage after you've done taking it. It also has a really easy to use menu function. So it'll take 1080p video, but if you're interested in saving a little space, you can also go down to 720p. You can do time-lapse photography. You can cut video footage down to 15-minute increments and a whole lot more. To review photos, you're just going to press the review. You're going to get out of the menu. You're going to press the review mode, and then you're going to be able to review photos and video there. It has a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and it also takes micro SD cards, which are inserted right here. It ships actually with an 8-gig micro SD card, which is going to give you about an hour of video footage. It'll take up to a 32-gig micro SD card, which is about 4 hours. It has an HDMI input as well as an audio-video input. So if you wanted to plug this into a high-resolution TV or a standard definition TV, you can go ahead and view all of your photos and videos in real time. It also has a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom of the camera. So unlike some other action cameras on the market that use proprietary systems, this is pretty neat because you can incorporate it into all of your existing tripods, monopods, gorilla pods, whatever you might be using. We also ship it with a waterproof housing. So this is actually the camera in the waterproof housing. One button for video and one button for still photography. Again, we have the 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, so you're going to be able to attach it to any mounts on the market, standard photography and videography mounts. And this casing is actually going to give you the ability to take it over 100 feet underwater. Really great for diving. Does have automatic autofocus and white balance. So you get some decent amount of low light as well as bright light video and still pictures. And it ships with 2 different handlebar mounts and helmet mounts, a lithium-ion battery that's going to keep this thing going for about 2.5 hours, and then all of the cables you need. So we give you a wall charger, a car charger, and also the ability to plug it directly into your computer via USB to charge it or transfer video footage to your computer. Once it's in the case, you can take photos and you can take video. You want to set all of your menu functions ahead of time before you put the camera into the case.
Okay.
It does have auto standby mode, so if you're interested in diving, what you do is you put this camera on, you bring it down underwater, it's going to go into standby. You can set it for however many minutes you'd like it to go on standby for. And then once you press either of these 2 buttons, it's going to wake the camera back up and it's ready for action. Yeah, we do have a lot of similarities. We're a little bit lighter weight than the majority of the cameras out there. We're about 2.9 ounces. Most of the cameras out there are about 3.3 to 5 ounces. Something else that's really neat, as I mentioned, is the universal 1/4-20 mount. Delkin's been in the photography business for a very long time, and we make a lot of pre-existing mounts, as well as tripods and monopods that people are using. So we wanted it to be easily incorporated into daily workflow. I think probably the biggest selling feature over the competitive mounts, the competitive cameras, is going to be this LCD screen. Some of the other cameras do have an LCD screen that can clip onto the back. The problem is that it's an extra cost, something else you have to pick up, and it's going to make the camera a little bit bulkier and heavier. Because we have it built in, it's going to be a really nice way to review your photos and also set up the correct shot, set up the correct angle, all in one nice package. We actually have a brand new mount called the Stealth mount that we came out with in conjunction with the Wingman HD. Basically, it's very similar to our mini mount that we've shown before. But unlike the Mini that has an extension arm, this is going to be really great for action sports where you want something very, very low profile. So you're going to be able to attach either of the cameras, either in the case or outside the case, as well as any existing photography equipment, to this mount by the 1/4-20, and you're good to go.